All right, we got the EVH 5150 Overdrive right here. It comes in this awesome MXR EVH box. As you would expect, you get a sticker, you get a quick guide, you get the pedal itself. So it does not come with the power cable, but it is your common 9-volt power cable that you're going to use on here. Power plugging into the back. We got an input, we have an output, and you can see on here we got the output, the bass, the mid, the treble, and the gain. It has a push button boost on here, and there's a gate, noise gate on here, so that's kind of cool. We'll run a couple of drills through this. We're using a 50 watt Chandler 212 and a humbucker. It's on a clean channel. All right, there you go. EVH 5150 Overdrive. Pretty awesome.